And we got fresh lemon juice all over the top.
This looks fabulous.
Can you smell that?
I can. Smoking hot.
Smoking hot. I'm Chef Derek St. Romain. I'm a food fanatic, a family man, and a food truckster, and a proud Ingles Table All-Star. What I love about all the Ingles Table is how so many different personalities and styles can come together like a good old Creole gumbo. And now, that recipe is about to get even better. We're taking the show on the road and visiting some of the best food organizations in the Southeast. This is Ingles Table on Tour. So today we're going to visit a friend of mine from the Ingles Table. She's an entrepreneur, she's an amazing home chef, and one heck of an angler. I'm talking about Abby J. We're going to tour her business today, Blackhawk Fly Fishing, and I am so excited. So I have been lucky enough to do some filming out here before with the Ingles Table, but I've never gotten the full Blackhawk experience. So I can't wait to get out there, tour this awesome place, learn about her business, and cook up some incredible food. Abby J, I made it.
Derek, so good to see you. And today is your day. We're gonna take the grand tour of Blackhawk, so let's go fishing.
Let's go. So Abby, I know you do a lot of things for the community around here. Tell me a little bit about how that got started and all the things you do now.
Well, we have always been a part of the chamber, and we just have always felt like we needed to be part of that because, you know, it's about giving back and what we can do to help others. But it's really a lot of different outings, and we are really glad that we can bring the next generation on, the young kids.
And I don't think people realize how much work goes into the river and the surrounding.
We try to stay open as much as we can year-round if it rains and weather permitting. And I have a very professional team of guides that work for me. They work as a team, and it is what makes Blackhawk what it is.
Right.
It's the people that work for me.
How did all Blackhawk, Ingles, and Abby J's come together?
Well, when I got off the road. I was on the road for 20 years selling, and we started building our home in 2004. And 2006, I decided to leave my corporate world and follow my passion for food. And so I started having cooking classes at my new home, and I used to sell to Ingles way back in the day and had a great relationship with them. And so I have 9 products. You can find them in the deli.
I just really think so many people don't know that this is here. And again, look at the scenery. How could you not enjoy this, right?
Right. I mean, it's, you know, you just kind of find yourself on the river. You know, it's the memory that you take back with you,
That's
Derek.
right.
And people build memories here, and that's what it's all about. And look, we're going to catch one of these big fish.
That's right. Let's catch some
I'm going to
fish.
see if I can catch it right now. Derek, hey, congratulations. I told you we was going to get you on some big fish, so why don't you show
Look at this.
me what you caught here.
This is amazing.
Wow, look at that fish.
Look at him, he's so alive. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
My first rainbow.
You know what? Let's go to the farmhouse. Go ahead and release.
Let's go cook.
Revive him. Let's go cook up some trout at the farmhouse. You ready?
I am ready.
All right.
Let's do it.
Awesome.
Yes.
So, Derek, what are we doing today?
We're gonna do some farm-raised rainbow trout that I picked up in our seafood department at the local Ingles and cook it on the big green egg with some of your great Abby J's smoking hot sauce.
Oh, it sounds awesome. And trout?
Yes, rainbow trout.
Let's get started. Tell us what you're doing.
So what I'm gonna do today, it's a very simple recipe. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these fillets, place them right on our wood plank.
Those look great.
Beautiful, look at that. Is that some beautiful fish or what? And again, every Ingles sells this stuff. It's amazing. I'm gonna take a little extra light virgin olive oil and brush it on the fish, and I'm gonna brush it. Then I'm gonna take your Abby J's smoking hot sauce, brush a little bit of that on.
And you know what? This is infused with Vidalia onion.
Yes.
Georgia Vidalia onion. It's got to be a New Orleans thing.
It's as
you know?
Cajun as you can get, baby.
Yes, smoking hot.
Smoking hot.
Yes.
And then the last ingredient is one of my favorites, Zatarain's Creole seasoning. I love this stuff. You know I'm Cajun, right?
Absolutely.
So this is a little different. This is
you
the
know
Cajun
I like
twist.
spice. Bring it on.
It's gonna take that sauce and that fish and just take it to another level. Check this out.
Nice.
And then we're gonna flip them over. Wood plank it on the big green egg, and then we are gonna throw down.
I'm so glad you brought that New Orleans flair to Blackhawk. I
Yes.
can't wait to taste them.
All right, Abby, can you smell that?
I can.
Those cedar planks. Let's get this off the
Smells
grill.
delicious.
It is gonna be so good. Look at this, big old rainbow trout fillets,
Smoking hot.
farm-raised,
Yes.
right at our local Ingles. Now watch this. We're gonna flip it over.
Nice.
That's beautiful. And that one. Now we're gonna do the piece de resistance. Fresh basil all over it from your garden. And this is gonna make it pop. It's gonna take your hot sauce, that Creole seasoning, and that fish, and we got fresh lemon juice all over the top.
This looks fabulous.
Can you smell that?
I can.
Cedar plank, farm raised, rainbow trout.
Great pairing. Smoking hot.
Smoking hot. Abby, I just can't thank you enough for having us out here. What an amazing trip it's been.
We had a blast.
Yes.
It has been so much fun.
That's right. And y'all at home, I want to thank you for joining us. To learn more about this amazing place, visit blackhawkflyfishing.com. And make sure to explore the rest of the website at Ingles Table for more great stops on the tour. And now, it's time for me to hit the road. I'll see you next time at Ingles Table on tour.